Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Priscilla of Speak Excellent English. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to expand your understanding of collocations. You know, some English phrases just sound right, and that's because of collocations. As I continue this conversation, I'm going to unravel the mystery of English collocations and how they can help you communicate more naturally in English. Now, I want you to just relax and prepare to become a master of English collocations. One of the first things you need to know is that collocations, in simple terms, are just a combination of words that naturally go together in English. Just think of them as best friends who always hang out together. First on the list is make an effort. This phrase is often used to describe putting in energy or work to achieve something. For example, he makes an effort to exercise every day. Notice how it sounds much more natural than he does an effort to exercise every day. Then we have take into account. This phrase is used when you need to consider or include something in a decision or judgment. For example, we need to take the weather into account before planning the picnic. Again, notice how it sounds more natural than we need to consider the weather before planning the picnic. When we use the collocation catch someone's eye, this phrase describes something that attracts attention visually. For example, the bright red dress caught her eye sounds much better than the bright red dress attracted her attention, doesn't it? Now, let's examine the phrase bear in mind. This phrase is used to remind someone to consider or remember something. For example, bear in mind the deadline is tomorrow. This is a much more polished way to say, remember, the deadline is tomorrow. Our last collocation is run out of. This describes a situation where you've used all of something and there's nothing more left. For example, we've run out of milk sounds much better than we finished the milk, doesn't it? These 5 essential English collocations should be added to your collocations library. Remember, make an effort, take into account, bear in mind, catch someone's eye, run out of. Using these collocations will help you sound more natural and fluent. Until next time, use these collocations and watch your English soar. Remember to like, share, and comment on this video, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.